I'm here right now at Lashesta Eyelash and Nail Studio, located in the Oriental Building on General Echavez Street in San Miguel, Lorega, Cebu City. The place is super cozy and their lash techs are very well trained and super professional. I super love the vibe in this place. And as you can see, this is my before video. I really love how they performed a check first to determine what type of lashes to apply and discuss with you what's best for you considering your eye shape. I chose the wispy lashes. The spike is done by attaching the closed volume fan by using zero point 0.5 hair into individual natural hair, while others get multiple. Before, I was traumatized by lash extensions and I never thought that I would have them again after 4 years.
Natural looking ra siya. Mura ra gyapon og nag-liner, di ba?
But now, look at the result. They look natural, well placed, not itchy at all, and super comfortable.
Wala guys, nice kaayo guys. Siya ka karong kilay, but anyway, wala ko na makeup. But look at that. It's super natural, no? So, I love it. So, after sa, like, the treatment, they will give you eyelashes aftercare. First to last step. Kaloka. I'm going to place everything on the screen or sa description box so that you will be able to know as well, diba? Before I forgot, if you remember, way back 4 years ago, I did remove my lashes because I get infected and it's super itchy. And right now, I'm super happy because parang this is the comeback of the false lashes chart. Aftercare, which is super good here sa Lashesta, because after the eyelash extension process, they will really recommend for the aftercare, which is good. You're going to apply the mascara. So you cannot apply a normal mascara, right? So they have available mascara for you, and also the serum so that you will be able to take care of your original lashes. So they also have that in, and also which is good guys because this serum and mascara is non-oil based, because as you know, hindi pwede ang oil based sa mga eyelash extension. So that's a good point as well.